Here is information communication technology and tourism. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of information communication technology. As you know, that Warner and Crane in 1999 elaborated that ICT is inclusion of hardware, software, groupware, netware, and humanware in any stream. Here you can say hardware. These are the computers hardware you are talking about, and the software programs, and the humanware, human resource management, manpower again, and network means inclusion of internet and technology aspects, and grouping of these all means and grouping of these all and inclusion of these in tourism sector. Here you can say that ICT is in tourism. In a complete form, you can say ICT is an integration of hardware and software network system. That means using of hardware and software, internet and networking system that is helpful in information communication in tourism. Who communicate? These are stakeholders. You can say travel agencies, tour operators, hotel owners, airlines, and other. These informs to travelers and tourists and also consumers. So they disseminate these information of travel sectors to travelers, and travelers also utilize these software and network system. So this is the, you can say, this is the ICT in tourism sector. So ICT is an integration. So ICT is the integration of hardware and software networking system in tourism sector, by which we communicate information to traveler and also programmers, and you can say the dissemination of information among stakeholder as well as travelers. This is only the ICT. Again, after this, next one is next one you can see the importance of ICT in tourism. What are you going to say? Importance of information communication technology in tourism. These are the some points which state the importance of this in tourism. You know, tourism is comprises of several sectors, subsectors. These are hotel and airlines, tour operator, travel agencies, and also tourists also part of this. So here you can say these are first one is a contributor to tourism growth. First point states that information communication importance we can understand by reading this point, as you can say, contributor to tourism growth. That ICT is the greatest contributor in tourism growth, because at this time this is the world of digital. You can say in digital era, everyone is working on internet or communication technology. So they are utilizing electronic parts, hardware, software of computers, and in tourism, these utilize is essential because there is a relationship between tourism and technology. These are direct relations. There is no growth of tourism without technology. So technology offers various aspects, various things, various instruments to tourism. So we utilize these as a suppliers, as a uh, as a distributor, as an intermediary, as a principal supplier, these electronic parts in preparation of travel programs and travel packages, as well as designing any tourism product. Second point is focal point of the tourism experience. This one is the focal point of tourism experience. Third one is transformation in tourism industry. So second point state about focal point of tourism experience. So ICT offer you a new experience. So in tourism, uh, a tourist or consumer can make direct reservations, can make direct booking of tourism products, hotels or any airlines. any entertainment programs. These are the some benefits you can say. Ease of use. They can easily use technology in booking and reservations. They can. These are the personalized. You can say personalized services. So these things uh, reduce the value of traditional setup of travel agency. Now everyone have technology. Everyone have computer, electronic parts, electronic segments of computers. Everyone have software programs. So due to technology, they know how to use these. That's why. So these are the focal points. So everyone use uh, communication technology in making plans of trip. That's why it's offering you tourism experience to them. The next point is the next one is transformation in tourism. So here you can see that at present is our time of digitization. In digitization, mobile use is increasing. So there are various apps available. These are travel apps. There are various uh, Yatra.com, Make My Trip, Travel Expedia. There are many travel agencies which are working online. This one is you can see that is a transformation. That's happened due to only information communication technology in tourism. So these are transformation. As you can see that easily can do work on mobiles. You have mobile programs in which apps state the features and also guide you how you can use a particular programs. So in making bookings in the reservations. So this one you can see the transformation in tourism sector. Next one is the virtual. So in personalized service, we can see that anyone can use these uh, travel apps and electronic parts in preparation of tours as well as uh, in any uh, for example entry at airport, self check-in hotels, and also in transaction payments, and they can make transaction of payments by utilizing the different apps of banks, either Paytm, for example, Paytm, Google Paytm. These are many available. These are the aspects of personalized services in tourism sectors. They can all prepare their own trips with the help of technology in tourism. So these are the some aspects of personalized. So in personalized service, you can see, you can say that language, language translations, currency conversions, these can easily happen at a single app available on mobiles. So next one is the assessment of potential market. The suppliers can easily find out the online purchase behavior, online shopping behavior of tourist or prospective tourists. That either they will purchase the product via apps or how they utilize these apps. They can find out the tendency of particular market. The market tendency can be find uh, by the communication technology. So these are the uh, these are the positive aspects that the suppliers can assess the market's potentiality in tourism. That they will visit the destination and which time they will come and what is their liking disliking. These are easily possible due to technology because technology state how the consumer utilize the travel aspects on technology, how what they search, what kind of information they search on different search engines. These are easily help suppliers. They can assess the uh, tourist or tendency of travel market. Next one is the market positioning. So in market positioning, after assessment of travel market behavior, easily travel supplier can position their product because they identified the similar cultures, their liking, disliking. They identified their demands, their behavior. So after identify, they easily position their product according to the market. So there are various niche product. You can say niche. product is available. These are niche tourism. You can say these are the water, these are polo sports in India, and you can say adventures, ecotourism. You can find out ecotourists and polo tourists who want to participate in polo games. These are the market positioning aspects, which state that we identify a travel market due to communication technology, their behavior, research, and then can position our product according to their choices. That is the market positioning. So a database can be prepared by travel agencies or suppliers who have similar choices, have similar cultural background, have similar thinking, also look for similar kind of product. So database can be prepared, and that will happen due to only technology, or you can say due to ICT in tourism sector. So dear student, these are the importance of ICT in tourism, which you can view understand it point to point contribution to tourism growth, tourism experience, transformation, virtual community, personalized services, assessment of travel market, and then on the basis of assessment of travel market, that is market positioning. So you can later expand these. There are various positive aspects of ICT in tourism because there is direct relation between these two. Tourism growth totally depends on ICT because this is a world of digitalization, sensor-based technologies also coming in tourism. So here